Hi, I am Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome back to my channel where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. Today in this lesson, I'm going to explain you how to calculate rate of inventory turnover. Let's get started. Okay, before we get into this lesson, let us have a look at the question on the screen. Anna has obtained the following data at 31st December 2016 in respect of Rabi, a possible new customer. Okay, so there are some information here. Let us see what is written there. Trade receivable is given, cash and cash equivalent is given, inventory, trade payables, sales for the year, inventory at 1st January 2016. Okay, two inventories and the markup of 25%. Okay, so from this information now we have to calculate this. Yeah, there are some more informations which are not relevant to this calculation. So only relevant items we will take to calculate this ratio. Okay, so first of all we have to see what is our formula. Rate of inventory turnover equal to cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Yeah, cost of goods sold also called cost of sales. Okay, whatever you call, same thing, same term. So let us write here the formula first of all. We know rate of inventory turnover. It is cost of sales or cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. So this is the formula to calculate this ratio, but problem is that in this question we do not have cost of sales. We have here the value of sales, okay, but there is no cost of sales. Even there is no gross profit to calculate. Okay, even average inventory we need to calculate. So it is very easy. Opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Okay, that is our average inventory. So here the challenging part is cost of sales to calculate. Okay, but we have here some information. We have here sales value and we also have in the question markup. Rabi has a markup of 25%. Okay, so from this markup and sales we can calculate our cost of sales. But how? There is a formula to calculate cost of sales from markup. So we know cost of sales equal to, it is 100 divided by markup plus 100 times sales. Okay, so interesting. Do you know this formula? Yeah, if you know this, it will be very easier for you to calculate this cost of sales. Okay, now let us write the value here. 100 is here, markup 100 is here, markup is here 25 plus 100, and here sales multiplied by sales. Look at the question. What is our sales value? $331,750. Okay, now we have to calculate cost of sales. So first of all we have to add this. It is 125, yeah, and here 100 multiplied by 331,750. Okay, now divide 100 by 125, then you multiply the answer by 331,750. What we get? It is $265,400. Okay, this is our cost of sales. Interesting, yeah, it is kind of tricky, but you should know this formula. So always you will not have cost of sales in a question, you will not have gross profit, so you can easily calculate your cost of sales. Sometimes markup will be given. When markup is given in the question, then students feel confused. Okay, but if you know this formula, it will be very easy for you to calculate, to understand. Okay, so we calculated our cost of sales here. Now we will calculate our average inventory. So we know average inventory equal to what? Opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2, okay? This is the formula to calculate average inventory. So have a look at the question once again. What is our opening inventory? Opening inventory is in the last, at 1st January 2016, it was $46,200. Okay, and the closing inventory is given in the beginning of the question, which is $38,100. Okay, so let us write here opening inventory $46,200 and the closing inventory, which is $33,100. Okay, divided by 2. Then what we get? So if we add these two values, then we divide it by 2, we get $42,150. Okay, so this is our average inventory. So now let us write the value here. Cost of sales is, we calculated $265,400 and the average inventory is here $42,150. Okay, now if we divide this value by this, we get 6.29. So we can round it up to 6.30. Okay, so what is the unit here? It is times. Okay, so this is very simple calculation. If you know how to calculate cost of sales and the average inventory. Oops, it is 38. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate rate of inventory turnover. Okay, so this is all about our today's lesson. I hope you understood how to calculate rate of inventory, especially how to calculate here cost of sales. This is a tricky formula. You have to remember, okay? You have to practice. Next time I'll show you some more this type of questions so you can understand and you can practice. Okay? And please visit my channel. There are so many other tutorials. This will help you to prepare your accounting test and exam, whatever. If you think that this lesson is helpful for you, please share with your friends. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye and take care.